MDRT. I have a sales idea to share with you. This is a sales idea and sales script for income replacement planning. Okay. Mr. Prospect, people always say children are the most adorable living things on earth while they are sleeping. Mr. Prospect, have you ever watched your child sleeping? You did, right? How do they look like? Yes, they're so sweet, they're so adorable. Sometimes they smile in their sleep. Sometimes they giggle. Because they know their daddy is with them all the time, because they feel secure, because they know daddy is always there for them. Daddy is their hero. But this one day, you came back a different identity. You have a pair of wings at your back and a big halo above your head. This time, when you watch your child sleep, he looks so fearful. He is lonely. Sometimes he sobs. Sometimes he cries in his sleep. He cries because he's lonely. He cries because he feels insecure. He cries because daddy is not there for him anymore. He cries because mommy always cries. Mommy has to work 2 jobs for more money. Insurance policy may be just some black ink on white paper. It has no value when we are alive. The value will be manifested with the widow's tears. Mr. Prospect, your decision today will determine the continuation of your family life stories. Sales idea number 2, if let's say you do have best buddy that don't allow you to talk about insurance, maybe you can use this. Okay, it goes like this. But I need some interaction with you all. Can you pretend that today you are my best buddy? Can you? Yes? Okay, Mr. Best Buddy.
Yes.
Thank you. Mr. Best Buddy, okay, it's alright. We don't want to talk about insurance today. No problem. We put this topic aside. But today I need a big favor from you. Thank you. Next week, I'll be away for a workshop. Can you help me to take care of my children for 3 days? Can you? Thank you. And next month, I will be away for a business trip. Can you help me to take care of my children just for 2 weeks? Thank you. Your best buddy. You can help me. But if I didn't make a comeback, can you help me to take care of my children forever?
No.
Can you? Can you? Aren't you best buddy? My best buddy, if today you need my help, I will definitely help you to take care of your family and also your children. Not for 1 day, not for 1 week, not for 1 month, not for a year, but I will help you to take care of them forever. But I have to bear 100% of these responsibilities by myself, and it looks so inappropriate. Let me suggest you this. You bear the 10% of this responsibility, and the remaining 90% will be taken care by my company. Give me your 10% allocation, and we can be best buddy forever. Thank you.